Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Bowser Jr. me. It's a very good idea in my opinion. So yeah, here is Bowser Jr., my Bowser Jr. plush I got today. So yeah, here we go. For the face, you want this face. These for part of his green bit of head. It doesn't really show up very well, but I just have it anyway. This is going to be the mouth, because we'll use the mouth for a genius idea. So that's going to be the actual mouth. And his mouth doesn't show up that much anyway. Just normal skin colour. You want this hair and this colour. These eyebrows. These positions. Pause the video anytime you need to. And this colour. So that's going to be more of his little green bit in the face. There's a green bit at the top and there's no green skin. So that we could just do a green skin and then put a beard for the white bit. So yeah, it's not as simple as that. For the eyes, you want these eyes, these positions. I'll just keep it black. So yeah, that's his eyes, obviously. But you haven't got these bits yet, but I have. I've got a genius way. We'll get to that after. So on this nose and these positions. So that's going to be the normal nose. And this is genius idea. For the mouth, you want this mouth and these positions. Make it white. So yeah, that's going to be these white bits for the eyes. So that's genius idea. I just have that for the mouth. For the moustache, this moustache, these positions, and that colour. Sorry about things in the background. No mole, gender male, body size roughly about that. Those glasses in these positions, and that colour. Those are actually going to be the eyebrows. Favourite colour yellow. Bowser Jr. BOWSER space JR dot. So that's a dot at the end of his junior. And there we go. That's how to make Bowser Jr. me.